Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing well. I'm here to share with you some Valentine's projects, an embellishment book that I worked on. Now these would not fit in my embellishment books because I filled it too much, but I just want to share with you these. I also shared these on my paper doll projects open collab that Jen's hosting on a Friday. I can't remember which Friday it was, but you have to go back and search for those. Those I'm going to add somehow, some way. I'm not done with it yet. I need to put a Velcro dot on this and close it. But this is how I made it. I made it where you bind it. And I will put a link to the tutorial I used, I followed, how to make the embellishment book. All of these stickers on the front came from Dollar Tree. But anyway, once I put the Velcro on, it opens up. I have some of my Creative Time charms right here. Most of it is my Creative Time using her dies. Sweet. But anyway, here's a little shaker. I got these little shaker bits from Michael's. First page. And then these little foam stickers. Had my stash. I just stuck them on here. That come from my Creative Time. Loved and blessed. I got these bag toppers from Temu. And I just cut them out. But the bows and the sweet and all of that came from my Creative Time dies. And then I have over here another bag topper I got from Temu. Some more foam stickers I had in my stash. Another My Creative Time stamp and die. Be My Valentine. All of these were My Creative Time bows, the dies. And I just used some little bling and a little gem right there, a little pearl looking gem to put in the centers. Here is some daisies and that little ladybug I got from Temu. And this is on My Creative Time die, of course. Everything is My Creative Time. Super cute. And he's not set in there. He can come out and that heart can come out. But I do have the little whisk in his hand where it stays. So that. And then there's some more bows from My Creative Time. The giant Gingy. And she says, "Be mine," little Cupid. And then on this side, more of My Creative Time stamp and dies. I made a whole bunch of tags, and if she doesn't want to put string here, she can put like a little bling to cover up that hole, but they're little tags. Over here I made these fence embellishments, and I showed a video on that. I made those out of Walmart fencing, and these two rosettes are from My Creative Time dies. And then back over here where I showed you that. So it just closed up, and then once I put the Velcro on it, it'll hopefully stay. But I just use my binding. And that's it. I don't have anything on the back yet. So that's my embellishment book. I hope you like. Tell me what you think. It's for a very special friend. So I will be sending this to her for Valentine's and her birthday. My crafty bestie. All right, guys. Take care. Bye for now.